Is this you every morning? Do you love sleep? Have you adapted to sleep through your alarm? Or even better, turn off your alarm in your sleep? Does this newfound ability cause you to be late for your favorite class at 8 a.m. in the morning? Well, we have the solution for you. We present Snooze Site.
There are multiple factors as to why we picked the motion detection alarm clock to be our final project, and one of the biggest factors was that having an 8 a.m. class, we all know how hard it is to wake up on time and not press snooze through all your alarms. So the way we found to counter that is to have an alarm clock that would detect whether if you actually got up or not, and it keeps sounding the alarm until you actually got up.
Just put in the amount of minutes and seconds you would like to sleep. Then, of course, go to sleep. And the alarm clock will wake you up and make sure that you are fully vertical before it stops the alarm. Are you worried you're gonna fall off asleep once the alarm stops? Well, don't you worry. If you decide to go back to sleep and you're in a horizontal position, the alarm will sound once again. Thank you for listening, and I hope this device will help you with all your future 8 a.m. courses. Thank you.